Hi guys, welcome back to my Besties studio. Today I've got some things to show you. I've got some of our new releases still coming out for the month of July, and we've got some adorable giveaways going on this month that I don't want you guys to miss out on. So I'm going to remind you of some of the things that we've got coming out, and this is one of them that's going to come out for our giveaway for July. It's a Betsy Johnson adorable little handbag purse, and this phone actually works, so you can plug it into your phone and it will actually work. I think it's just adorable. So our next giveaway is this adorable large beach bag from Betsy Johnson, which is so cute. I love a big bag because you can carry all your art supplies, your markers, your Copics, anything, take it to the beach, whatever you want to do, but it is just super cute. So we wanted to give that away too this month. And then we've got, don't forget, our cute little nautical socks that we're going to be giving away this month. And the other thing is this super cute over the shoulder nautical Betsy Johnson bag, and it says seize the day. It is so cute. I fell in love with this little bag when I saw it, so I just had to get it for our giveaways this month. So another thing we've got for you guys for the giveaways, which we fell in love with at Starbucks, are the Besties coffee cards. So we're going to be giving these away as well. They're $15 each. We've got 3 of them to give away to you guys this month, and they're the beach theme, so they're perfect for the giveaways. The next thing we've got now is we still have our releases going on for our summer fun Bestie digi stamps. So this is one of the ones that we've got, this adorable little girl. It's Make a Splash and her little cute little octopus. So we've got a lot of sets this time coming out, as well as you can get them all single, but we also they come in sets with sentiments for you. So we kind of did some combos to make it a little different for you guys this time. This little girl was made into a card by one of our DT Bonnie, and it is so cute. Isn't that adorable? It's a little shaker card. The next thing that we've got with this same, well, wait, I love these. These are some of my favorite things that we've got this time, is we've got the Fussy Cut 3D cutouts for you guys. Already pre-cut out, and the themes all match. We've got the little octopuses all cut out already. We've got the little girl on the whale cut out already. Octopuses come in multiple different colors for you guys, already done and cut out. We've got the little whales already cut out. They're so cute. You guys are just going to love these. They're super cute this time. So another thing that we've got to go with each and every single one of the themes is this one is our Summer Fun Make a Splash paper pack. And in this paper pack, there are 12 papers in each pack. Now, we will print them for you, and we print them on heavy stock, cardstock paper, or you can download them and print them yourself too. So here's some of what the images look like, the papers look like. This adorable little girl. I love this one. This one can be used as scrapbooking paper too, because if you print them yourself, you can print them 12 by 12 if you're able to do that. And this is the next one. So cute. Isn't that adorable? Perfect for making cards as well as scrapbooking. This is the next one. I love this one, the beach at the beach with the beach balls and the little beach pail. This beach theme. And this is our little octopus. This one also is perfect for the front of a card or for scrapbooking papers. It's just adorable. I love this one. This is great background papers. We've got some beautiful background papers for you. This is another really beautiful background paper. And this one is just adorable. So that's our new paper packs. That's our Make a Splash collection. And now we've got a few things that I want to share with you guys that are coming out the end of this month and the first part of August. So I think we're all kind of getting in the mood already for fall and for Halloween and being a little festive. So for those of you that do Halloween things and fall things, I've got some things to share with you that's coming out with this next release. Isn't he adorable? It's our collection called You Drive Me Batty. And it's just all these cute little vampire bats and little witches and all fall. And this is the next one that's coming out. These are gonna be on the site today, so you guys can go look and see that they're on the site today. This is the next one. And I love this one. I love these. These are all done by our design team girls, our colorists. Aren't they beautiful? And then we've got some Christmas. We don't want to forget about Christmas because we're doing some Christmas in July. So one of the things that we're going to be doing this starting the first part of August all the way through August, it's going to be 5 weeks long, this giveaway we've got coming out next. And what we're going to be doing is every week we're going to be giving away a coloring book for Christmas. We've got 5 different coloring books, signed copies for you guys to give away to you. And these are all the 5 we're going to be giving away, 1 a week. So all you have to do, guys, to be able to be eligible for any of our giveaways is to comment, follow, subscribe on our YouTube, comment on our YouTube videos. Any of the videos is fine as long as you just let us know that you're here. We can see your comments. And we would love it if you come over and join our Facebook group too. And that way we can see that what you share over there, and you can see all the giveaways, because we do giveaways all the time. We do Did You giveaways every week. We do all kinds of fun stuff over there. And then there's all kinds of inspiration for crafting as well. So we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.